So personally, I never had any kind of pain or back pain or really issues beyond just like, you weed whack the front yard and you're sore for a day or something. But I actually got a golden retriever puppy 3 years ago, and I don't think I realized how much I was gonna be bending over to pick her up and lug her around and carrying her and, getting her in and out of the kitchen sink and bending over for bath time for her, or getting her in and out of the car. And before I knew it, I kind of noticed after bar classes or, weight training classes, I would have some kind of like naggy left low back pain. And it just progressively got to the point where, it would bother me a handful of days every week. And that was kind of when I realized, this didn't need to happen. Why am I having this? And whether or not it was poor Daisy's fault, the golden retriever, or just getting older, I guess, I don't know. But I know it's enough to be noticeable. And when you're exposed to patients that have to live with things way worse than what I could even ever imagine, it's not something that I want to ignore. I would not be comfortable with repeated steroid exposures. We're not comfortable with it with our patients. I'm certainly not comfortable with it for myself. I don't really want to expose my body to any unnecessary steroids, especially as a woman. Our risk of osteoporosis, osteopenia, it's only going to increase as I get older. So I really have to be protective of my bone health right now. The best way to combat and kind of prevent this issue from snowballing is to strengthen my lower back. And it's really tough to strengthen just your lower back without simultaneously straining it. So when Dr. Joye does PRP and HGH, he can strengthen those ligaments, those tendons, those muscles and supportive structures to kind of beef up whatever area is weak, so that your body can protect itself better and kind of alleviate the stress or strain on a joint or a disc or whatever it may be, so that it's not getting repeatedly aggravated. And hopefully I can better protect my back when I do bar class or when I lug the dog up into the trunk.